Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel on PC. First, place the racing wheel on a stable desk or racing stand, then secure it properly using the built-in clamping system so it doesn't move while you're driving. Next, connect the pedal set to the racing wheel and make sure the connection is firmly attached. Now plug the racing wheel's USB cable into an available USB port on your computer. Wait a few moments for Windows to detect the device. Depending on your system and the game you're using, the wheel may be recognized automatically. Keep in mind that the Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel was originally designed for Xbox consoles, so PC compatibility may vary from game to game. After that, open the racing game you want to play. Now go to the game settings menu, then open Controls, Input Settings, or Controller Settings. Here, check whether the game has detected the racing wheel. If it appears in the list of available controllers, select it as your primary input device. Next, assign the steering wheel, accelerator pedal, brake pedal, paddle shifters, and buttons if they are not mapped automatically. Take your time to review each control and make sure everything is assigned correctly. Now adjust the steering sensitivity, steering dead zone, throttle sensitivity, and brake sensitivity if those options are available. These settings can help make the wheel feel more responsive and comfortable to use. After that, save your settings and start a practice session or race. Turn the wheel left and right to make sure steering is working properly. Then press the accelerator and brake pedals to verify that they are responding correctly in the game. If the controls feel too sensitive or not sensitive enough, return to the settings menu and make small adjustments until you're satisfied with the handling. For the best experience, try using games that offer native wheel support, as they usually provide better compatibility and more customization options. If the game does not detect the wheel, disconnect the USB cable, reconnect it, and restart the game. You can also try a different USB port on your computer. In some cases, restarting your PC may help Windows recognize the device properly. Once everything is working correctly, you're ready to enjoy racing games using your Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel. If this video helped you out, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.